Okay, hello. This afternoon we're going to demonstrate how to basically back up the True Tone mode from a broken iPhone screen. I believe True Tone was introduced in the iPhone 8 up into the current iPhone. And True Tone basically is a mode that allows the phone to automatically sense its ambient lighting in that current environment and adjust the color temperature accordingly, and also automatic brightness, and that's done with True Tone. The aftermarket screens, as you see here, I have a brand new aftermarket screen, does not have the True Tone technology. It is a very unique technology that's encoded on the original screen. This is the original screen here. And I have a device here, and it's called a True Tone Backup Restorer. And what this does is it reads the True Tone code off of the original screen, right, and copies it in memory, and then it writes it out to the new screen. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate that. So we turn this on. We choose language, English. And we have the board in. It is supports the iPhone 7 through the iPhone 11. So we have an iPhone XS Max here. This is what we're going to connect. So let's see here. We have the original screen here. And go ahead and put glasses on. We use the touch panel connection for this. So we connect that. Get right on there. Okay. And as you can see you see the screen? Is the screen showing? Before I couldn't. You can see the screen? Okay, good. It says XS Max. So that says that the screen is connected. So now we just push read, and it reads the code in. Read success. See that?
Okay.
Read success. And then we disconnect the screen. We connect the aftermarket screen. Again, it beeps. It shows that the XS Max screen is connected. And then we go to write. And it takes a little longer to write out the code to the new screen. Still writing. Flashing green. So there's a chip on here that contains the True Tone code. And write success. You see the write success there? So it was a success, and it shows the unique code that's contained. Now, every True Tone that's paired with its host iPhone has a unique code. The number is different. So that means that this screen has the unique code that has to be matched to its original host iPhone. It will not be compatible with any other host iPhone because the code is also encoded on the host iPhone itself. Has to match its original screen's code. The numbers have to match. So that's why you can't mismatch. So there we have it. We have restored the True Tone mode on the aftermarket screen here. And that's all for today. Thank you.